Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the Acer into AC power to avoid interruptions. Next, make a quick backup of important files to an external drive or cloud. This protects you if something fails. Once done, check the current OS version and confirm at least 10% free disk space, because updates need room to unpack. Make sure battery saver is off and you have a stable internet connection. These steps reduce risk and prepare the laptop to download and install updates smoothly. You open Settings and navigate to Update and Security, or the equivalent on your OS, and then click Check for updates. When updates appear, download them. Larger feature updates may take longer, so plan time. Once downloaded, choose Install Now and let the installer run. Make sure you save work and close apps because the system will often restart. If prompted, follow on-screen prompts for drivers or optional components. Installing those can improve stability and hardware compatibility. You finish by confirming the post-update OS version and running update again until no new items appear, ensuring cumulative patches are applied. If a device behaves oddly, check Device Manager and update drivers from Acer support. That often fixes peripheral and graphics issues. If an update fails or the system won't boot, boot to safe mode and try a system restore to the prior point, or use recovery media. Finally, make a fresh backup now that the system is stable, so you're protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.